Endovascular repair of abdominal aortic aneurysm is a great option for many patients compared with open surgical repair. We know that endovascular repair increases perioperative survival, and now in JAMA is a report on 5-year survival. The researchers looked at the Medicare analytic file from 2003 to 2007 and picked patients who underwent isolated repair of intact AAA. And the first rather surprising fact, at least to me, is that of 4,500 patients, 703 were classified as having undergone open repair, and more than 5 times that many had undergone endovascular repair. In unadjusted analysis and adjusted analysis, all-cause mortality, length of hospital stay, and the incidence of incisional hernia were all higher after open versus endovascular repair, whereas the incidence of 1-year readmission, repeat AAA repair, and lower extremity amputation did not differ by repair type. So it seems clear that this study demonstrated that even after adjusting for demographics and comorbidities, endovascular AAA repair was associated with a long-term survival advantage when compared with open repair in patients 65 years or older. This survival difference was related to higher mortality within the first month after open repair, but persisted for the entire 5-year follow-up period. I'm Peter Block, and this is a CardioSource Heart Minute.